Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious pork longanisa from scratch. We will start by gathering all the necessary ingredients, ensuring you have fresh ground pork with a good fat ratio. Then, we'll move on to meticulously mixing the spices and seasonings to create that signature sweet and savory flavor. Next, I'll guide you through the process of stuffing the mixture into casings and forming perfect links. Finally, we'll cover the crucial curing and storage steps to ensure your homemade longanisa is absolutely perfect. For our longanisa, we begin with 2 pounds of ground pork, aiming for a 20 to 30% fat ratio for juiciness. Into this, we'll incorporate 1 whole head of finely minced garlic, half a cup of rich brown sugar, and 2 tablespoons of cane vinegar. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of paprika for that vibrant color. Mix everything together thoroughly with your hands for about 5 minutes until the mixture becomes sticky and well blended. Now let's move to stuffing. First, rinse your natural hog casings under running water to clean them completely. Next, attach your sausage stuffer nozzle and carefully load the casings onto it. Slowly crank the stuffer, guiding the pork mixture into the casings, making sure they are filled evenly but not too tightly to prevent bursting. Once filled, pinch and twist the casing every 4 to 5 inches to form distinct longanisa links, alternating the twist direction for secure separation. After stuffing, the longanisa needs to cure. Hang your linked sausages in a cool, dry, and well-ventilated spot for 3 to 5 days. This allows the flavors to meld and intensify. Once cured, you can refrigerate them for up to 2 weeks or freeze them for several months of extended storage. When you're ready to enjoy, simply pan-fry or grill your longanisa until it's beautifully browned and cooked all the way through. Enjoy your delicious homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.